Load your family into the 2017 GMC Yukon XL. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Top features include heated front seats, power front seats, adjustable pedals, and seat memory. Features such as automatic climate control and leather upholstery prove that economical transportation does not need to be sparsely equipped. With high-intensity discharge headlights illuminating your path, you'll always appreciate maximum visibility. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passengers are protected by various safety and security features, including head curtain airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.